Hi, I'm Chris Bogdan. I'm a country line dance instructor here at Mix Nightclub in Allentown, Pennsylvania, USA. This video is to teach you my dance, Evil Woman. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance to the Duran Duran song Evil Woman, released in September of 2024 on their DANSE MACABRE Deluxe album. I should note that Duran Duran, since they got airplay with this song, had released 10 other versions of the song, remixes. This dance is choreographed to the version from the album. 32 count, 4-wall dance. There's an easy rocking chair tag, and there's a restart that I'll explain to you. But first we'll go through the 4 sections. Section 1 starts with a right step forward, quickly rock left and recover for a 1 and 2, and then we do a cross shuffle, left, right, left. We're going to step out and on the right, make a quarter pivot to the left, bringing your weight to the left, and you continue walking towards 9 o'clock, right, left, and. Little hitch, keeping the weight off your right for that first section. First, the count on that is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we do a right shuffle, make a quarter turn to a left shuffle, and in the back wall we're going to do a jazz box step. So section 2 starts, our weight's on our left, to the side, right, slight hitch, make a quarter turn to the left and shuffle, left, and then finish with a jazz box. Cross, back, together, step. The numbers on that, weights on our left, slight hitch on the right, ready, begin. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, you're going to remember this section for later on in the dance. Starts with half of a V step, heels out, left out, straight into a right coaster step, and then we're going to do a left Monterey over our left shoulder. So section 3 begins right, right coaster step, Monterey touching out to the left, half turn over your left shoulder, touch out to the right, bring it together, weight remains on your left. So the numbers for section 3, starting with a half a V step, 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, Monterey 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight remains on your left. Section 4, 2 diagonal shuffles, and then we're going to walk around to 3 o'clock over our left shoulder. So section 4 starts towards 1:30, right, left, shuffle towards 10:30, left, and we walk around, right, left. So the numbers for that section 4, we just finished with that Monterey, weights on our left, starting off towards 1:30, 1 and 2, turn 3 and 4, around 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is wall 2. We'll go through it in its entirety. When I come around at the end of wall 2, we add a rocking chair to the step. So to begin the dance facing this direction, step right, cross left, step quarter pivot, right, left, and shuffle, turn left, cross, back, side, step, out, coaster step, left Monterey. Here's the end of wall 2, 3 and 4. And here comes the tag. It's just a rocking chair, 4 count. Rock front, recover left, right back, recover left. And you continue on with wall 3. And like I said, safety happens on walls 5 and wall 10. We continue the dance. The entire dance goes in a clockwise motion. When we get to wall 8, wall 7 will be instrumental. We finish that wall, we come over to wall 8. We do 12 counts of the dance, restart over on wall 3. So I'll walk you through that. You can definitely hear the music. You hear the instrumental. When you get to wall 8, it really slows down. So you start from the top, 1 and 2, cross 3 and 4, quarter pivot 5, 6, walk 7, 8, and then we do the 2 shuffles. Right, turn left, restart on wall 3. Wall 8 with a restart. Restart. That's the entire dance. However, section 3, there's the opportunity at the beginning of the dance. If you start 16 counts into the dance, which would be 8 counts after the cymbal, you can repeat the section 3 4 times. if you begin after the 16 counts into the dance. You have the option there in that prelude, or I call it an overture on the step sheet, to just do side touches if you don't want to do Monterey's 4 times in a row. So I'll show you it doing both options for 4 counts at the beginning of the dance. It begins with right, left, coaster step, Monterey. And you have to do it again to wind up, because we do it 4 times total. If you just want to do the touches, out, out, coaster step, touch left, touch right, out, out, coaster step, touch left, and go right into the dance. Right, left, right, cross and cross, quarter pivot, right, left, and continue on. Thank you for watching. If you're ever in the Lehigh Valley area in Pennsylvania, please stop out and visit us on a Wednesday night. And again, Chris Bogdan and the step sheet link will be below.